Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and I apologize for my absence. Once again, it's been probably about a month since I've last uploaded. So what I want to do in this video is I'm planning on making more videos soon. So I wanted to release this video just to kind of get you guys up to speed on what I've been doing, what I plan to do, and basically the future of muscle versus tuner. So I'm in my garage right now. It might be a little echoey. I'm sorry about that. It's how garages work. I need to get me some like sound insulating stuff so it won't echo so bad because I like making videos out here, but that's besides the point. So as you can see behind me, I got these boxes that have stuff for the ricer truck in them. I also have something over there I need to share with you guys. And there's a few other things I've been trying to accomplish before I come back and start grinding out more videos, but it just hasn't happened because stuff hasn't lined up. Anyways, we'll get to that in a second. But before we get this video started, I would like to thank Vikings, War of Clans, for reaching out to me and partnering up with me. If you haven't heard of the mobile app Vikings, War of Clans, you're definitely missing out. There are 20 million players playing Vikings, War of Clans, and it happens to be 10 times the amount of Vikings that ever actually live. With Vikings, War of Clans, finally there's a mobile game that has a perfect mix of 3D graphics and smooth gameplay. Vikings' massive online battles will get you hooked after 5 minutes of playing. I know it will you because it did me. If you want to find me in game, my in-game name is Riceislyfe. So what are you waiting for? Install Vikings right now using the links below, and you will get 200 gold, a protection shield, and your place in Valhalla for free. So yes, I have partnered up with Vikings, War of Clans. For this video, they're helping us out a ton, guys. Without them, I would not be able to buy this part for the ricer truck I've been wanting to get for it. And later in this video, I will actually take the camera with me and show you what we're getting for the ricer truck next. So if you truly support this channel and you want to see more stuff happen, a 30-second ad promo like that is something that can fuel an entire, 15, 16-minute video of entertainment for you guys. So I know it is, 30 seconds that you have to sit through, and if you find interest in it, the best way you can help me is to always check out the links in the description, and that helps us do more awesome stuff on this channel. I'm not pocketing a single penny. I'm actually still losing money by buying some of these mods because, what I get sponsored doesn't completely cover the cost of parts. So I'm not keeping a penny of this, just the blow. It's actually going towards stuff. So if you support me and this channel, make sure to check out the links and don't bitch about it down in the comments. So before we go buy the new part for the ricer truck that I'm wanting to buy and I've been wanting to get for a while now, we have some stuff back here that I need to show you guys. And yeah, the United States Postal Service kind of fucked me on these. Before I whip these out, I want you guys to know that yes, these are lights of some sort. And yes, I do a lot of stuff about lights on this channel, but you have to understand, I don't live in the city where you're not gonna like hit stuff or, mess your car up. You have to understand, I live 20 minutes from the closest red light, and that's not an exaggeration. I have to drive 20 minutes this way or 20 minutes that way to reach the first red light. That being said, there are a lot of deers and other small animals you have to watch out for when you're driving, especially at night when you can't see. And as you know, the ricer truck has some headlights that now that I did back in high school, and those are dim as hell. Like literally, if you had me and Ryan in a photo lineup with that truck headlights projecting light on us, you couldn't tell the difference between us. So that being said, as you know, my girlfriend drives it, and we need to upgrade those so it's safer for her to drive, and when we drive it, we don't have to worry about that either, because I'm telling you, they are awful, and you will see whenever I install these just how big of the difference it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and whip them out and show them to you. So here is one of them. This is the good one that the USPS did not fuck up. And as you can see, it looks pretty dope. I got them painted black, the housings, and you can see the projector in there. That is a retrofit. I bought the projectors from HID Retrofit Source is where I bought those from. And although I did have to pay to get the projectors and the OEM headlight housings, my buddies down at RGB Pro Lighting in Texas hooked me up with the paint and did the whole install for me, so I didn't have to worry about fucking anything up. But tell me what you guys think on these. I think they look pretty sweet, especially the projectors in there, and they should be a lot brighter. Now let me show you the one that the USPS completely screwed. So here's the one that USPS fucked up. Honestly, never ship anything through the post office. Well, I worked at Amazon briefly, and every problem we had was from the Postal Service. So you can see this projector is completely dislodged from where it's supposed to be. Now hopefully it didn't mess up any of the black paint, which it probably did. Honestly, there's the way it's sitting in there, but it should be minimal. But yeah, like the entire projector, you can see that, like it is dislodged from where it should be. It's not just the shroud that's messed up. I gotta fix the whole thing. So whenever we do go to install these, thanks to the United States Postal Service, I am going to have to put these in the oven, crack them open, and hopefully fix this little problem we have here. So yeah, this is what I've been waiting to put in the ricer truck. I know it's not super exciting, it's lights and everyone gets butthurt, but it's well needed. It's something it needs, you know, for safety reasons as well. So I'm gonna put these up. And the next thing I have gotten since last time I've been on camera is something I'm going to be bringing to the channel. That's not necessarily car related, but I know a lot of you guys out there share the same passion that I do, and I know a lot of people have asked about it on Snapchat and Instagram if you've seen pictures. I don't think I posted any on Instagram, but definitely my Snapchat. So let me put these up, and then I will go get the other thing and we'll check it out. And I forgot to mention, those other headlights are going to be LED headlights instead of regular halogen or HIDs. So that alone will be a significant difference. But yeah, I forgot to tell you that, so I wanted to clarify that. So this is also something I got in my time off. It was almost like a Christmas gift, kinda. I'm not gonna get into that. But here we have it, boys. Now, I understand this isn't everyone's thing. But it's something I've done my entire life. I've always had guns and shotguns. They were usually my dad's. And I wanted something for myself, for home defense, and something just to, you know, something just kind of, you know, toy around with, mess around with, and have something else to bring to the channel, because I know a lot of you guys are into stuff like this. So quickly, I will go over this. I know this isn't a gun channel, but I want to show you all, you know, basically what it is for the people that care, and go from there. So this is a AR-15. Obviously, they've been in the news a lot lately, and not for good reasons. But this is made from a company in Florida called Live Free Armory. There is their little stamp. Has bald eagles on it. You know we like bald eagles here on this channel. They also have a nice big, if you focus, they have a nice big bald eagle on the bolt carrier right there. So honestly, I've only went out and shot this gun once, honestly, because it's been really cold out. But out of, I'd say 300 rounds, and this is still the break-in period, it's only failure to cycle 2 rounds, which isn't bad, and it wasn't top grade ammunition either. It's still brass case, but this is just your typical AR-15 with a free float handguard. I got a primary arms 5x zoom scope on here, and it's like kind of like a poor man's ACOG if you don't want to spend $1,000 on something. And it just comes with your, you know, usual stock. And yeah, that's all there really is to it. It's nothing crazy. But if you want to check these out, I definitely recommend them. This is not sponsored. I paid full price for this. But check out Live Free Armory if you want an awesome shooting AR. With that being said though, I'm not going to shoot this right now because it's dark out. But one of these days, soon, we're going to take this out, maybe sight it in, shoot some fun stuff, and go from there. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to wrap this video up just so it's not taking too long. But I do have a couple other things I wanted to tell you guys. Just stuff I've been trying to get done that hasn't happened yet. First thing is, I'm getting rid of the ricer truck wheels. So yes, I'm getting rid of the old ricer truck wheels. Here is what they look like. So I'm selling them, so if anyone on here wants them, I'm selling them for 450 bucks. I'm not gonna ship them, so if you want them, you'll have to meet me in person. I know, you know, people's going to be ragging on them and I don't like them either, but I'm sure someone out there does. And if you want them, 450 bucks and they're yours. I'm also trying to sell those just so I can fund other projects that we need to get going and stuff like that. And the final thing I've been trying to work on is I'm trying to source a 5.3 aluminum long block LS series. And I'm also trying to find a T56. Now I know they're sold everywhere, but I'm trying to pick up a motor and trans for under 2 grand for the Datsun. Now I've decided to go with a 5.3 aluminum long block just to hold down on weight, and it's good for a turbo build. And also I want to do a T56 because they're great transmissions and I want it to be standard. It'd be so easy, and I've came so close to just getting a automatic because it'd be a lot faster, you know, with the drag strip, and a lot cheaper. But I'm not doing it. I'm wanting to get T56 and a 5.3 aluminum long block. That being said, if you guys have one or know someone that has one, like I said, I'm trying to pick up both for under 2 grand. So that means whether the transmission is 1,200 bucks and the long block is 800, or they're both a grand. I'm trying to stay under 2 grand, that's my budget. And I almost got a T56 for 800 bucks, but I was a couple hours too late and the guy had already sold it. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to find for the Datsun. I'm ready to buy one. So if you guys have one or know of someone, make sure to let me know down in the comments. I read every comment, and yeah, we'll go from there. And I'm sorry this video is a little bit rambly, guys. I just wanted to get you guys up to date on what's going on and what basically the future of Muscle vs. Tuner holds. I've been still banging away at my diet. I've lost, I think, about 30 pounds so far. It's hard to keep track because I have so much water weight at my size. But I'm still banging away on that, and honestly guys, I think my weight has been really bothering me, and that's why it's kept me away from YouTube. I feel so tired all the time, and it's not really about being lazy. It's about, I think, you know, I'm killing myself almost, you know, at my size. But I'm in a really good position right now in life to have YouTube and to also be losing weight. This is the longest diet I've been on in my entire life. So I feel good right now, and I want to start getting back on content. If I breathe a little bit heavy at times, guys, bear with me. I'm fixing all this, and yeah, I really hope to be around for a long time, and that's what we're trying to accomplish right now. I'm not going to say for certain because I've lied to you all a couple times about me getting back, you know, in the groove, but I'm going to try this time. I'm really going to try, but no promises, that I'm going to start uploading a little bit more regularly, at least maybe 2 or 3 times a week. But yeah, thanks for sticking around, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video, or, you know, at least learned what's been going on and stuff like that. But with that being said, I'm going to hop off here and go get this video edited and put up on the channel. And I think the headlights should be next whenever I get around to doing those. Should be in the next couple days. But thank you all so much for sticking around, and sorry for my absence lately. I've just been trying to get my life in check. But with that being said, thank you all so much for staying around. There should be more content on the channel soon, and I'll catch you all later.